bit. So for example, you come at this one. Let me show you. You come at this, and then it is here, and you do like this. So let us see. Now you click, you take this background, sorry, this white one, okay. Then let us remove this one. So you see this one, you come at this side as you are seeing it here. See here. Now let us see. Then you choose color, green screen. Green screen, it is this one, green screen. People normally confuse themselves that green screen, it is every color that is resemble green. No, green, it is this one. Okay, so you choose this one. You see green. Okay, now you bring your person. Like this one that you have removed from background eraser. This one, that is how people make green screen. So you come at it here, then you do what? You see, then when you want, you come and make it like that. Then you do like this. No, let us do like this, then like this. Now see, then you write some titles there, like how to make your green screen video using your phone. Okay, see, now you bring the back, you bring that note here, then here. See, I see how it is. Now you come and make you come and make your things work by outline, okay. You come in this, then you put layer some colors so that it can be good and attractive. Okay, see, it is attractive. You can make other things if you want with your phone. Now this is KineMaster. Now you write the word KineMaster here, like here, to show that it was KineMaster that you have used. KineMaster. See, KineMaster. It is there. KineMaster. See, then you come here, come there, You will see the notes how you can make it. So for me, I have used the robot block. See how it has. Then you change the color. Okay, see. Okay, see, red kind master. It's like red. Then you capture if you want. Okay, you capture here if you want. Now, so let us see. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more. Presa!